Hello. So far we've been moving, rotating and scaling objects, but now we're actually going to start building things. In this video you'll learn how to use the Extrude tool. What is the Extrude? Extrude allows you to create new geometry from existing geometry. In simple terms, it lets you pull new shapes out of your objects. It is one of the most used tools in Blender and also one of the most powerful tools you can use. To extrude, we need to be in edit mode, which means press tab on your keyboard to go to edit mode. Then press number 3 on your keyboard to have face selection activated, which is up here if you want to click on it with your mouse. Now select your face and press E on your keyboard. Now this will allow you to extrude a new geometry out of this cube. What just happened is Blender created a new face connected to the original one, and you can do this multiple times. You can continue pressing E and left click as many times as you'd like to, and this way you can build a small tower like this. You usually want to control the direction of your extrude, which means you press E and then choose the axis you want to extrude on, which is Z, X or Y axis. Doing it on an axis keeps your movement clean and precise. You can also combine extrude with scale. And here is where it gets pretty cool. If you press S, you can scale this into this wider shape, or you can press S and make it into a small pillar. This is how you create things like towers, buildings, or very simple objects. There is also another option. If you don't want to extrude in a general direction, you can press Alt and E, and this menu will open up, and then you can use different options for extruding, but this is something that we will look into in the future, not in this episode, so stay tuned. I will also make a video how to use all of these options at one point. So let's recap. Press E to extrude, move your mouse to create new geometry, use X, Y or C to control the direction, combine with scale for more interesting shapes by pressing S, and then either scaling up or down. Extrude is one of the most powerful tools in Blender, and this is a tool that you will use all the time, so make sure you master this tool. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Take care, bye bye.